Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video I'm going to be making auto gele. This is plain taffeta. I'm using plain taffeta for this tutorial. Shiny plain taffeta. The measurement I have here is 25.5 inches, 25.5 inches by 28 inches. This is where it's going to be the head circumference, this 25.5 inches. So I will fold with 1.5 inch and I will sew. I'm done with the sewing. I'm going to start with the lap, the plaint on top. I will use this one to cover the thread here. I will use the next plaint to cover the thread here, and I will sew on top here. Then after sewing, I will bring the third one and use this third one to cover the one I just finished sewing, and I will sew on top like that until get 15 inches here. I will be needing 15 inches like this. I'm done sewing. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plaits here. I have 6 layers. I'll bring this way. Like this. And I will measure head circumference. This way I'm going to relax on my forehead. I will be needing 23 inches, which is 11.5 inches. I mark this place. Then I will curve like this. I'm going to cut here. I will leave ½ inch to sew. Then I will cut. I will cut here. I'm going to sew here. I'm done with the sewing here. After finish sewing, I'm going to make gather. You can start from here or here. After drawing the thread, I will tie. After tying, I will sew back again many times. So I will sew this way and tie, and I will sew this way and tie to secure the thread. We want to make design on top. The measurement here is 10 inches by 94 inches long. 10 inches by 94 inches. This is 60 and 34 inches. I'm going to make gather with my thread and needle on this side, this long part, and on this side. So I'm going to start on this side the same way, then I will show you when I'm done with this side. Comes this way. What I will do is to tie this place. If you want to small one like this, it's also okay. This size, you can also do it like that. If you want a small size like this, you can also do it like that. If you want a little bit open, you can also do that. The size here is okay. This is 3 inches. I will also do this place the same 3 inches. So after doing that, I will tie here. Remain also with here. This place I have not tied this side. See, it's coming back. So after I finish tying this side, it will stay like this. After doing that, I will sew this open place together. So when I'm bringing it together, this place won't be going this side and this side. So I will sew just small, maybe 2 to 3 inches. Like this. So you can see it doesn't open anymore. So bringing it to this way, it's easy. You can see now. I bring together like this because I don't want the rough edge to show when I'm going to sew it on this cap. I will bring it this way. The front is inside while the back is outside. So after sewing, I will bring the right side out. I will sew just from where the rough edge starts to the end here. I will sew gently with thread and needle. I will bring the right side out gently. I will place on top here like this and gently tack with thread and needle without the thread showing on the back and on the front like this. I leave about 2.5 inches here before placing on top like this, and I will hold first with pin. I'm holding with pin before I start to sew with thread and needle. I'm going to tack with thread and needle gently here and on the back. My needle is inside here and I will come out from here and tack. And I will sew back. Like this. I will sew up and I will sew pick like this and sew back. like this. I will continue like this. As you can see, the way I'm sewing, the thread is not showing in any way. So continue like this until here, the same way, the same process of sewing. I'm going to continue. When I'm done, I will show you. This is the front. So I'm here to sew here. I'm sewing from here down to this place. I'm done sewing this part here. This is the last place here. I tie. This is the finished look, guys. As always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. Please share this video to friends and loved ones. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.